So our app's looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and add some more interactivity. We want to go ahead and add an increment function. So we'll add a button first off. And to that button, let's attach a event handler called onClick. And the most common ones you're going to find are onClick and onChange. So onChange on a lot of inputs, onClick obviously on a button. So we're going to do an arrow function, and our method or function, we're going to call it upvote. And we don't really need to pass anything in because we're just incrementing by 1 every time. And then we need to externalize this to our parent component. And then on our parent component, we need to go ahead and pass that function we're going to create in. So say upvote equals this dot upvote. And let's go ahead and create that method. So we'll say upvote. And let's say set state. So whenever you initially set, you can just call state, and then when you change the state, you call set state. It's really important. So we can do round brackets, curly brackets inside, and then we're going to say a property we want to mutate, so that's post count. And we'll say we want that to equal this dot state dot posts count plus 1, because we're incrementing up. And we'll do that. Go ahead and save that, and we'll see if we have any errors. Set state is not defined. Of course, this dot set state. Great, so it's working. We forgot to add a label, so let's go ahead and throw that in. We'll just call it +1. And let's go ahead and make one for decrementing as well. So we'll call this downvote, pretty original. And we'll add this in. So downvote, save. These are multiple cursors from Adam, and here we'll do the same thing. All right, let's see if we did it all correctly. Minus goes down, plus goes up. Pretty cool. So now we have kind of a voting app. In the next video, we're going to take these individual posts, we're going to break out this increment decrement into its own component, and then we're going to map over multiple posts, and they're each going to have their own vote count.